Hello everyone, welcome. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to insert digital signature in Word. Let us get started. Open your browser, type Adobe Sign PDF, Sign PDF with a free PDF from Filler. Select your PDF file, open. Here we have three options. You can sign in with Google account, continue with Adobe, or you can create a free account. I'll sign in with Google account. Our PDF file is open now. Go to Add Signature. Here we have three options. You can type your name, or you can draw your signature. Here we have image option as well. If you have the image of your signature, you can import it, select, then you can select the image of your signature. I will draw my signature, save. This is the signature. Wherever you want, you can put it. Okay, resize, make it bigger. You can change the place of your signature. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and leave your feedback in the comments.